So, permit me to welcome you back to our academy today. This is Jet Creative Life Consulting Limited Academy, a consulting firm which CSE registration and activities both post incorporation and pre-incorporation is one of the major services that we offer in our firm. So, if this is your first time of joining us on this academy, my name is Dejabere, a leading CSE registration expert as far as Nigeria is concerned. So, what we are going to be diving and examining today, it is how to create an account on CAC Portal, how to create an account on CAC Portal. So that is what exactly we'll be examining today. And as usual, I'm going to be taking you on a step-by-step process on how to do this. I'm going to be teaching you like a baby as always. So you already know that the first thing you have to do is you have to get your personal computer, or you are using a phone, and you need to have a good source of network connection. So all those things are set already. So I'm using a PC, so the PC is connected already to my source of network. So I'm using a router, so it's connected already. So if yours is not connected, that you are using a PC or you are using a phone, the first thing you have to do is ensure your phone or your laptop is connected to a source of network. So having done that, the next thing you have to do, it is to launch your browser. Once you launch your browser, this is my browser. So once you launch your browser, I was on my mail before. So once you launch your browser, so another thing you do is type in the address, launch your browser and type in the address. I told you we have three major addresses that we use. We have the cac.gov.ng, the cac.gov.ng and cac.gov.ng, like that. So what we are using at the moment is we are using pre-cac.gov.ng. This is pre.cac.gov.ng. So this is the one we'll be using today. This is the address we'll be using today. So click enter. After that, once you click enter, this is what pops up. This is what pops up on your dashboard. This is what you see on your dashboard, and this is just like the CAC Portal. So we have many options, many icons there. So you go to your top right corner where you are going to see login or register. Go to the top right corner where you are going to be seeing the login or the register. If you've registered before, you click on login. It brings you to where you're going to insert your username or whatever, or email or anything you want to log in with. But if you've not registered before, it brings you here and you just click on register. So you click on register. When you click on register, this is what comes up to your dashboard. This is what comes up to your dashboard when you click on register. So this is what pops up on your dashboard. So remember, what we want to do is we are trying to create an account. Read those informations very well. Any member of the public can create an account. Hope you can see that. So that shows you that any CSA has given access due to the market size. They've given access to almost is not even almost to everybody to actually create an account. Kindly note that you'll be a director, trustee, or proprietor partner during the registration process. Please provide the necessary details. So this is when you are registering, you want to open an account. So this is what we call individual account. This is what we call individual account on CAC Portal. On CAC Portal, when you want to create an account, we have two types of accounts. We have what we call the individual account, and we have what we call the agent account. So when you are using the individual account, what you do is whenever a client hires you to actually register a business for them, you are going to be using the client's information to open the account. Do you understand now? You are going to be using the client information to open the account. And if the business you want to register is for yourself, that means you are going to be using your own personal information to open the account, because any information you use to open the account, that information will be the director. If it's a company, it's going to be the trustee. If it is an NGO, and it's going to be the proprietor or partner if it is a business name. So if you are using if you don't have access to an agent's account and you want to register CC for someone and you want to create an account, if it is your client, you are going to collect the client's information. That is what you are going to use. So now this is the individual account individual account you want to create now. So you see what it requires for either use your phone number or your NIN. So I'm creating an account right now. Use your phone number, the client's phone number, the phone number the client gave to you. So I think I've even almost used all my phone numbers. I already have an account with all of them. So let me just put in a random phone number. A random phone number. Do you understand? So this is a random phone number now. So if a client is giving you a job, you are going to input the client's phone number or NIN. So once you come here, so it's going to direct you here. Hope you can see. So if you are this, I told you this is an individual account that we want to create. Do you understand? You see some options there. Probably you've been creating an account or you already registering a particular this now. You having a queried registration. So you click here. If you are not a Nigerian and you want to create an account, you click here. If you want to create an accredited agent account, you click here. But at the moment you are creating an individual account, so this is it, authorized representative. So insert your username, your first name, your last name, these others. Those ones they are optional. Anywhere you see this red star, those are the compulsory ones. Anywhere you didn't see red star, they are optional. So your date of birth is compulsory. So let's use 2021. 2021. Where's 2021? Or let's 2022 January 1st of January 2022. So you choose your gender, male or female, choose it. Nigerian is already there. So your email. So for the purpose of this, let me use my company email, Get Creative Hive Consulting Limited, HQ at gmail.com. Hope you can see that. You confirm the email again, Just Creative Hive Consulting Limited, HQ at gmail.com. Do you get? So which username do you want to use? Maybe let me use Jet Creative 1. So my password, Jet Creative at 1. Is it correct? Okay. So let me repeat it. You are going to confirm your password, Jet Creative at 1. So occupation, entrepreneur. Do you understand? So fill in your address, Nigerian. So I'm from Ekiti State. Put it there. Southwest. So just put those informations. Just answer those informations accordingly. Just answer them accordingly. You get, just answer them accordingly. So NIN, national identity card, international passport, anyone you have, driver's license, just input any of them. Do you get? So input your national ID card number, anything you want to use. So you click on register. So once you click on register, account created successful. Hope you can see it here. Please verify your email. So account has been created successfully. So you now go to your email. The email you use, make sure it's a valid email. Then you go back to that email. Once you go back, this is my mail. You can see now account verification. Account verification. You almost click here to complete your registration. Then I just click to complete my registration. Then email confirmed. Hope you've seen now email confirmed. Now verifying email confirmed. So let me try to log in now. So when I want to log in, my username is what do I use? Jet Creative 1. So the password Get creative at 1. So you can see now I've logged in now. So you can see everything now is zero because it is a new account. Everything is zero because it's a new account. You will see two green buttons there. You will see new name reservation and new name registration. So for this part, we don't have anything to do with the new name registration. What we have to do is with the new name reservation. And you will see four boxes there. One is not submitted. The second one is pending or slash queried. The third one is denied, and the last one is approved. So with this information that I've made available at your fingertips, should be able to do number one, to do a perfect name public search, and number two, to create an account for yourself. So I see you on the other side.